Welcome. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to make your profile photo visible to everyone on WhatsApp right from your computer. With the recent update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to manage your privacy settings directly from the desktop app. So if you want your friends, contacts, or even new people to see your profile picture, follow along with these simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and everything is synced with your phone. Once you're on the main interface, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen, or depending on your layout, it might be at the top right. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Next, from the menu that appears, choose privacy. This is where all your privacy options are located, like last seen, online status, and of course, your profile photo visibility. Now, click on profile photo. You'll notice a few options appear. Everyone, my contacts accept, and nobody. These settings decide who can view your WhatsApp profile picture. To make your photo visible to everyone, simply select everyone. Once you choose that option, your changes are saved automatically. That's it. You've just updated your profile photo setting on WhatsApp for PC. From now on, anyone who has your number or interacts with you on WhatsApp will be able to see your profile photo. It's a small change, but it helps personalize your account and makes your chats feel a little more connected. If you ever want more privacy in the future, you can return to the same menu and choose a different option, like showing your photo only to contacts or hiding it completely. And there you go. You now know how to show your profile photo to everyone on WhatsApp using the latest desktop update. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more quick and easy tech tutorials.